About a month ago, I got this mic, which is the Hollyland Lark M2, which is this one. And as I promised, I'm going to be doing a test. And the audio you're actually hearing right now is from the mic. Three things that stand out: the size, the noise cancelling, and the range, as it can record audio up to 300 meters. I'm here to load this, and you can hear the sound of the mic is plugged in. And now the mic is plugged in, and this is how it sounds like without noise cancellation. And if I click this button, it turns on noise cancellation. And this is how it sounds like. Tell me what you think. And this mic doesn't just come as one, it comes as a pair. And this is great because if you're interviewing somebody, you can just have them put this on without you having to point the mic at them. And I like this small form factor because it fits well in the shirt and sometimes looks like a button. The only issue is sometimes you might forget it on your shirt, but the good thing is that it attaches magnetically, so you'll still find it on your shirt. Otherwise, that's about it to this mic. As I mentioned in the previous video, I bought it for 21,000 Kenya shillings, and that's for the one that comes with the camera, receiver, the lightning, and the USB-C. However, if you want the one that just plug into your phone, it will cost you around 19,000 shillings.